Scotty checked out this morning. In his customary way. With a glass of good malt whiskey in his hand. At least, that's what they say. He didn't leave much owing. When he finally paid the bill. Maybe he should have settled a few old scores. But now I guess he never will. I remember the time he told me. We were born under a golden star. And maybe sometimes we couldn't find it. And the journey seemed too far. But it was just a matter of hanging in. And we'd get there in the end. Well, it seems you're gonna find it. My crazy, beautiful friend. Mr. Scott has left the building. The big old 12 strings packed away. And the gig is finally over. And Scotty's on his way. But there's a song I still keep singing. And I'll never lose the tune. 'Cause Scotty's out there somewhere. And he's howling at the moon. He's howling at the moon. I can hear him. He's howling at the moon. Scotty's out there somewhere. And he's howling at the moon.